Meanwhile, in the capital, it's a summer of discontent for the people. The city is in the midst of a water crisis. The power situation is slightly better, but the Delhi government on Tuesday raised power tariffs by as much as 25% across the city.
As Delhi's power distribution companies struggle to maintain supply to a city grappling with soaring temperatures, power cuts have become a fairly regular feature, with some areas seeing 3 to 4 hours without power every day. And what has heightened temperatures further is the Delhi government's decision to increase power tariffs by as much as 25% across the city. So for an average middle-class household, the jump could translate to as much as 400 to 500 rupees per month. I'm in Gandhinagar in East Delhi, an area that sees regular power cuts. Let me just speak to a few residents. सर पहले तो ये बताएं कि जो आपके यहाँ पावर कट्स की सिचुएशन है, पिछले साल इस साल में क्या फर्क है?
हाँ जी, पिछले साल इस साल में फर्क तो है, क्योंकि पिछले साल ज्यादा जा रही थी, 2-3 घंटे जा रही थी, इस बार 1.5 घंटे 2 घंटे ऐसे जा रही है। इतना भी ना बढ़ाना चाहिए, 25% 24% बहुत होते हैं। चलो अगर बढ़ाना ही है ठीक है, महंगाई जब बढ़ ही रही है हर चीज पे तो कुछ मामूली बढ़ा दें।
But government authorities have justified the hike, saying the money coming in will help the 3 power distribution companies in Delhi tide over losses amounting to as much as 6,000 crore rupees. Incidentally, demand for power in the city has peaked to an all-time high this summer, with a demand for as much as 5,400 megawatts being met yesterday. Last year, the demand was 400 megawatts less at this time of the year.
Beyond a point, कोई भी losses नहीं सह कर सकता है। जब इस्तेमाल की जाती है, जिस चीज़ को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसके लिए पेमेंट भी करनी होती है।
If power woes were not enough, an acute water shortage has ensured dry days have an altogether different meaning for Delhi.
Delhi has about 18 million people and requires at least 110 million gallons of water every day. Officially, there is a shortage of about 50 gallons every day, but some say that the shortage is much more. The result, there is a mad scramble of water in scores of areas like these.
सारा दिन पानी के लिए परेशान है। अब हम सरकार से ये चाहते हैं, हम करें तो करें क्या?
But the crisis may be here to stay, even as the thirsty capital braces for worse, with the rain now threatening to miss its date with the city. With Sonal Mehrotra, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.